Alright, what's happening, traders? It's Mark here at DynoTrading coming at you with today's recap on the vol in the futures trading market. You can see here it's just around 2 p.m. here in Chicago. The market's going to be closing in just about an hour. And boy, was today a beautiful day to catch that short. All right, and what I want to show you here in this video, guys, is really contrasting the S&P E-minis versus the Russell E-mini futures. Okay, you guys know that I've been doing quite a few more takes on the E-mini Russell. I feel like all of you guys out there who are running your technical analysis and attempting to forecast significant moves on the S&P E-minis, all right, I think that you're going to be blown away when you integrate those same strategies on the Russell. Case in point, okay? We look at today's sell-off and how the vol absolutely nailed it. All right, for those of you guys who have been searching for that absolute top in the market, maybe we got it today, maybe we didn't, right? But today was definitely what felt like a pretty significant sell-off. A lot of volume was hitting the bid today. This stretch right here, guys, all right, you know what? Let me just go ahead and zoom in here for you, okay? This stretch right here where the volume shifts from green into red, okay, let me go ahead and isolate this section. This section right here, guys, is where the volume market profile alerts you on a potential trend change, okay? Volume and trend go hand in hand, okay? This metric of being able to combine volume with the exact starting point of a trend, guys, these are statistically significant areas in the market that you want to be watching for, okay? Let me go ahead and zoom back out, and you can see right here the volume shifted from green into red, okay? And this was an absolute collapse on the E-mini futures. All right, but you can also see that it kind of danced around, a little bit later, and you had to play through a little bit of chop before the S&P rebounded. Okay, now if you contrast that to the E-mini Russell, again, guys, same day, same session, same price action movement, same hours of the day. Okay, the moves on the E-mini Russell just dwarf any moves on the E-mini S&P. All right, and let me prove that to you here, okay? Look how clean it looked today on the E-mini Russell. Okay, look how my volume profile clearly caught the absolute top today right over here and caught the absolute bottom over here. Okay, this is just proof that when volume and trend come together, guys, you cannot beat this system. Okay, I feel sorry for anybody who tried to mess with candlestick garbage today, their MACD and Bollinger Band nonsense. I mean, I don't know what you people are doing. All right, some of you people out there really need to set aside some time and really figure out what type of strategy you want to employ if you want to make money, serious money trading the market, okay? And one of the things you have to learn, guys, is that this is a game of risk and reward, and this is also a game of trying to figure out the starting point of a trend, right? Not the middle of the trend right over here, certainly not the end of the trend right over here, but the beginning and starting point of the trend. That alone is how you capture huge potential moves on a daily basis. And again, I don't know if every day going forward is going to look like this, but you've seen the videos. You guys know that I don't cherry pick. I'm showing you daily recaps. And so far, guys, it seems like the Russell is just a standout. This has just been absolutely outperforming the markets in general on a daily basis. It's been doing it very consistently. I mean, again, just you contrast the S&P E-minis, which I'm not going to bash the S&P E-minis, but I know that there's a huge chunk of you guys that are never going to switch, right? I don't know why. Some of you people just seem to think that the S&P E-mini is a beautiful woman. You're trying to get married to it, and I take the opposite approach. I'm not trying to get married to any one symbol. I want to be watching and analyzing multiple signals, all right? I want to be participating in markets like this, which is the E-mini Russell. And guys, just so you know, if you have data for the S&P E-mini, then you already by default have data for the Russell E-mini. Makes sense? And they move the exact same. It's $50 a point on the S&P, and it's $50 a point on the E-mini Russell. The only difference is that the Russell gives you astronomical, gigantic potentials. Okay, as you can see right here from today's session here, 360 ticks and change, and I believe that was just on the short. Add another. I mean, oh my God, look at look at the rally as it turned green, guys. Right? Volume turns green right over here. So double this. This was probably about 700 ticks today on the E-mini Russell. Just outrageous. All right, using nothing more than a simple volume market profile. And all this market profile does is turn the color red when it's time to potentially look for shorts, and turn it green when it's time to potentially look for longs. Makes sense? Anyway, guys, hope you had a fantastic trading day today. It kind of felt like the markets have been a little bit quiet last couple of sessions, but boy, did we get a trading book for the ages today. The volume came right back into the market, and you see what can happen when you are able to integrate volume into your technical analysis. Hey, listen, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you'd like more details on how to get your hands on this incredible volume accelerator tool, feel free to get in touch. Thanks again for watching today's video recap on the futures markets, and I'll see you on the next trade.